Grabovoi concentration exercises, 22nd day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day, you should concentrate on elements of reality that are characterized by continual recreation. One such example is the concept of eternity. Another is the concept of infinite space. Let me remind you once again that while you are contemplating such concepts as eternity and the like, you must simultaneously build your desired result and keep it in your consciousness. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 8, 1, 5, 3, 4, 8, 5. 9-digit sequence. 1, 9, 8, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exercise number 3. Your soul is a created structure. Your soul is also a recreatable structure. Look at how your soul is created and look at how it is recreated. Your soul is in the act of being recreated. Uncover your world and see where the Creator recreated Himself. Look at the mechanism of such recreation and you will see love. Love is what brings light into the world. Love is what the world is founded upon. Love has always existed and was there from the very beginning. See the one who created love, and you will see yourself. The love that belongs to you is you who belong to love. Build with love. Build with grace. Build with the immense joy of all-encompassing life and mutual happiness for all, and you will be able to see the joy seen by all those who surround you. Learn to see the joy of all those who surround you, and your heart will overflow with happiness. Be in happiness and harmony, and they will bring you eternity. Look with your eternal eyes at your family. Look at them with your eternal body. Look at them with your eternal vision, and give the gift of eternity to all who are dear to you. Look through your eternity at all people, and give them the gift of eternity. Look from within your eternity at the entire world, at all those around you, and give them eternal life. And the world will blossom, and a flower will appear that blooms eternally. This flower will be your world, which is also the world of all people, and you will live, and your happiness will never end.